Good afternoon, everyone. Katong nakita ninyo ganina is ang gate sa Camellia Homes Sevilla, Cananga. And in Anira Kadool, this is just 20 seconds away from the ready for occupancy Dana model nga for sale karon, and this can be yours for only 60,000 pesos only with your 2 valid IDs. Tanawa na to ang fully furnished nga house. By the way, this is 110 square meters ang lot area, and upon entering, you can see nga fully furnished ang house is because this is the house model of Dana before, and karon na-transfer mo siya dito sa Camellia Prima. So this one, since almost sold out na ni diri ang subdivision or this project, ilahan na ning for sale. So, yun, if your purpose of getting this one is for Airbnb, this can be the house for you. It's because naka-fully furnished na siya, ready na siya for renting anytime, ma-turn over ni sa inyo ang house. This house has only 485,000 nga full down payment, but this can be payable for 5 months pag yun. Pero pag magdalitsod ka, pwede na mo siya i-full dayon, no? Kaya para ato na din siyang pa-approve sa bangko once turned over. Once ma-approve, then this can be turned over to you. Money ang iyahang common toilet and bath here sa first floor or the ground floor. Diba? Naka-interior na siya, naka-cove lighting and whatnot. The first bedroom is this one. This is quite small, to be honest. Pero usually sa mga clients, kinabuhat nila ni as pantry, nursery, house, or room, or can be their maid's quarter. So let's go sa taas, sa second floor. So we can see the 3 more bedrooms and 2 more nga toilet and bath. So in the second floor, you can see na may mga chandelier, na may mga designs. All that you can see in the video are included because this is fully furnished, can be bought by as is and where is. So na may mga aircon and all. So basically, ready na kayo siya. Pag-turn over na sa inyo, gamit na ninyo ang person na ninyo add-on. And yun, tanawala. Since model man siya, grabe kaayo ang iyahang pag-design. So by the way, this is the second bedroom. Here is our master bedroom, and we can actually consider this as master bedroom because dako siya compared to other rooms. And this is the only bedroom nga naa siya toilet and bath located here. Ayun. So, yun. And by the way, wala ko napakita ang common nga toilet and bath sa second floor, which is this one. And lastly, our fourth bedroom, which is this one. Pwede sa inyo mga anak, or pwede sa inyo mga relatives. So you can use this as your guest room as well. So once again, I am Cyrus, a sales manager of DK Realty Philippines. Just send me a message today. Bye!